things were getting a little too easy. And I remember feeling that way myself, that it was just getting a little bit too easy. The market was so calm. I don't want to say for no reason. I mean, there's all sorts of contributing factors, and flows is a big one, fund flows. When things start getting priced for perfection and it becomes sort of an inevitability that you put money into the market and it goes up. It goes up not just year over year, but we're talking about people were expecting to make money by the week. And I think that is definitely a sign that we've reached some sort of a tipping point. And it does feel, obviously hindsight will prove us correct or not, but it does feel like the bubble has been burst. And I don't mean that in a tech bubble, year 2000 type way, but maybe we just had a little bit of overvaluations that were happening in certain sectors and polluting the views of investors. Just seemed too easy. And I think there's been a little bit of a reckoning for certain types of investors who were, without realizing it, taking an enormous amount of risk. People really had gotten to a point where they were putting an inordinate amount of their portfolio into companies and stocks and crypto, things that they really couldn't even maybe explain. It seems like there's been a bit of a reckoning for those types of investors, which nobody likes to see people get hurt, but my humble opinion is that was needed. That was actually needed. The market needed to reset, and some of the froth needs to come out for the market to get a little healthier.